If your Instagram posts are not showing up, don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you step by step to fix it easily. Let's begin. First, go back to your home screen and long press the Instagram app icon. Then tap on the app info or the small I button. Once you're there, scroll down and open Storage and Cache. Tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files that might be causing the issue. Next, go back and tap on Force Stop. Then confirm by selecting OK. This will restart the app completely. After that, open the Play Store. In the search bar, type Instagram. If an update is available, tap Update to install the latest version. Outdated apps often cause loading and post-display issues, so this step is important. Once updated, open Instagram again. Tap on your profile icon, then on the three-line menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Help, then tap Report a Problem. Next, choose Report a Problem once more, then tap Include and Continue. In the message box, type something like this. Hi Instagram, my posts are not showing on my profile or feed. Please help me fix this issue as soon as possible. After typing your message, tap Send. That's it. Instagram support team will review your report and your post visibility issue should be resolved shortly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful fixes and tech tips.